Suffering from lower back pain can be debilitating and can affect many facets of people's lives. Lower back pain can affect about 80% of the population in their lifetime, and you may know many people who suffer from lower back pain. Lower back pain can be divided into a couple of origins, one being mechanical lower back pain and one being back pain caused by pathology. The back pain caused by pathology are generally issues such as a spondylolisthesis or significant discogenic issues. But the vast majority of the pain that people suffer from is non-specific or mechanical. And the reason the term mechanical is used is often it's caused by wear and tear of joints, of bones. People tend to become very tight as a result and start to move differently or adopt compensatory movement patterns. And these types of movement patterns and tightness dictate the way that people live their lives and dictate the way that people move. Hi, my name's Matt Harris and I'm an exercise physiologist. I have 20 years of experience working with people with non-specific lower back pain. When managing lower back pain, there are some key factors. The most important is to make sure that you're moving. The human body is a fluid piece of equipment and it needs to move so that the articulations of joints, the muscle co-activations and the way that we get around on the earth is natural. We need to bend, we need to extend, we need to laterally flex, and these are key components of movement which help muscles work together, which help joints unload and help for the spinal structures to be nourished. Hi Brian, thanks for coming in this morning. I really appreciate your time.
My pleasure, Matt. Nice to see you.
And why did you start at Exercise for Life?
I had a back problem that was restricting me. It was affecting every facet of my life. And I was driven in here through pain and suffering. And I must say, the pain and suffering is gone.
And do you find that with the program it was helpful to give you education as well as the exercises to help you?
Yes. In a nutshell, it's holistic. It's both education as to how you got to change your mind, which changes your patterns, physical training patterns, behaviours. It gave me strength, it gave me fluidity, it gave me flexibility. It's given me my life back.
You can see if we have a cutaway section of this motion segment here, we've got our facet joints and our spinous processes. Again, these areas need to move. If they don't move and the muscles that cross the joints are affected, it's going to affect these joints. And that's when people can suffer from inflammation of the facet joints, or if there's wear and tear in the facet joints or arthropathy in the facet joints, that causes inflammation and then affects the way the muscles attaching into those joints function. So it's quite complex. Often people have scans where it shows that there's significant degeneration in joints, significant wear and tear, or disc bulges, but they may not suffer any pain and function very well. Other people can have scans which shows nothing, but they are in significant pain. So what we do down here at Exercise for Life is we provide a simple exercise intervention to assist people to firstly feel comfortable with movement, to make sure that they are confident with movement, and then get the body functioning as one. And is it something you think you need to keep doing?
Have to the day I die. I've got no alternative. For the injury I've got, if I don't manage it, it'll manage me. And this is the fastest, most effective method I've found. Forget the drugs. Exercise is nature's natural painkiller. One last comment for you, Matt. I spend half an hour a day here exercising. That gives me 23 and a half hours back. Do the calculation. That's a fantastic return on investment. And thank you, Matt.
It's my pleasure. Excellent.